Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Do you want to design your own desk in SketchUp but you are not sure where to start? You are in the right place. In this fast and beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll walk you through modeling a clean modern desk from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to model a desk in SketchUp. Sketch 1000 millimeters by 500 millimeters. That's the dimension of the desk we are going to model. Highlight it and copy. Use the offset tool and offset 25 millimeters. Now you can erase these other lines. We'll use 750 millimeters for the height of the desk. Let's model the drawer. Highlight this line, copy it 300 millimeters. Use the push pull and extrude 650 millimeters. Now select the baseline. Make a copy of 50 millimeters. Now we have 600 millimeters left, so we need to divide it into 3, which is 200 millimeters each. Make a copy of it, 200. It's okay. Use the offset tool and offset 25 millimeters. Something here. As you can see, here is bigger. We have 50 millimeters, so we need to adjust it. Move it 12.5. Here 12.5. Do the same thing here. Use the push pull and push in 4 to 5 millimeters. Okay. Use the line tool and sketch right here to cover it. Now select both surfaces, this and this other one, and copy it. Now you can delete this part off. Clear off this line. Use the push pull and extrude 25 millimeters. Now the next thing we are going to do is to add the handle. Let's create it. Use the circle, type in 5, select it and copy it. Make a copy of 125 millimeters. Use the push pull and extrude 50 millimeters. Copy this and flip it. Make a group, copy it. Use the rotate tool, click on it, then rotate it. Move it down here. Now use the scale tool and push it towards this end. Explode it and add a color to it. Let's use the metal silver. Highlight it and apply the material. Highlight it and make a group. Select this one also and add a material to it. Let's use the wood material. Highlight it and make a group. Copy it down here. Make sure that it is centralized. For you to do that, determine the center point here, adjust it, make sure this falls in the middle of it. Okay, you can delete this. Now select both of them and make a group. Drag it to cover the space. Copy it to this other one. Make sure you leave a small gap. Copy the third one. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. Now let's model the other leg. Highlight the line and make a copy of it. 50 millimeters. Use the push pull to 700 millimeters. Now you can clear off this part. Select this line and make a copy of 25 millimeters. You can cut it from here. Extend it right here. We need to add a base here. Let's use 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. The height 50 millimeters. Let's use that same chrome. Select here and pick the color and add it here. Apply, then make a group. Copy it down here. Copy it to this other end too. Let's head over to the topmost cover. Select it, use the push pull and extrude 50 millimeters. Highlight it, pick this color and apply to it. Now make a group. Copy it down here. Adjust 25 millimeters. Here also adjust 25 millimeters. Now you can choose to apply any color of your choice. Apply the color to it. If you have any question or contribution, kindly drop it in the comments section. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and it really helps in the growth of the channel. You will never miss out our latest content. That's how to model a desk in SketchUp. Thank you so much for watching this video.